experience. I cannot imagine being where I am today without Start a Juice Bar. From the minute I thought about doing this business and came across some of Andrew's information, I thought, if I'm going to do this business, I've got to get the best information out there. So everything from building the menus, creating, using what all years of expertise, to designing the kitchen. We never could have done that and have the flow that we have. And the training was just invaluable. Mm-hmm. I mean, to be here in person and help train our staff and walk through everything that we've done.
Yeah, so from my perspective is a lot different. I have a background in construction. I've done all kinds of things. And so I was like, I can do this. And then when Amy started talking about Start a Juice Bar, I was skeptical because I was like, wow, how much value does it, okay. And then as I go through the process and we have to deal with an architect, the technical layout of the kitchen and stuff like that, like I don't know juice. And so we're starting off not knowing juice, and working with you Andrew and Nathan and staff has been phenomenal, because as I've gone through the process, the value has amplified itself all the way up to right here, right now, an extremely delicious product. And as you've seen when Amy was talking, I almost, I'm telling you, if you're on the fence, you go binge watch YouTube, and then you'll get the real deal when you talk to them in person.
Absolutely. Yeah, we feel 100% confident in our product.
Yes.
And processes, and from here it's just more practicing, but we have that awesome base.
Technical layout of the kitchen, flow. This is why we don't do this, is why we do that. All down to the nuts and bolts and how tight they need to be, to a torque wrench sometimes. And that's exactly what we needed, because that's not what our expertise was in. And I feel confident, and so I'm sure Amy does, that from here on out, we've got the system down, and we'll learn as we go. We'll continue to learn as we go.
Yeah, great. Thank you.